came home this morning, another busy night. I was glad to see her face again, 'cause she's always on my mind. So I locked the door and she was standing there. I stared at her for a while, and then I said, come lay down beside me. Now it's time for love. You and I together, there's nothing I want more. Where I go, where I stay, where I sing, where I play, always play my songs for you. I wanna lay down beside you tonight.
All those things